Hey, fifth graders. So for today, couple things. I've said it a couple times on my instructions. You need to possibly make adjustments to your partner quizzes today, but then I want you to do problem 3.1. And so it starts on page 65 with some instructions, and then on page 66, this is what this is here. So again, with this ocean bike tours, so the last day, they are deciding to go to the Wild World Amusement Park. Let me make this a little bigger. And so they planned to stop there. The questions are, what variables would affect the cost of the amusement park? And how would those variables affect the cost? So Malcolm, as part of the tour, finds out that it costs $21 per person to visit Wild World. Liz suggests that they make a table or a graph relating the admission price to the number of people. However, Malcolm says there's a simple rule for calculating the cost, and basically that's just 21 times the number of people. So that's that graph. Or we could simplify it. If we say C is the cost and N is the number of people, it could just be 21 times N. And just, we've talked about this before, but if it's 21 times 10, when you multiply a number by a letter variable, you can leave out the multiplication sign. So the shorthand version of it is just 21n. And so this 21n is what we call an expression for total cost. Anytime we have variables in a sentence, a number sentence, we have created an expression when we have an equal sign. All right, you obtain the total cost by multiplying 21, the cost per person, by n, the number of people. The fact that C and 21n are equal gives the equation C equals 21n. And here the number 21 is called the coefficient of n. So basically, any number in front of a variable, n or x or z, is called a coefficient. Okay, so that's the number. Say it was 5n. 5 would be the coefficient, or 7x, that would be a coefficient. Okay. The equation C equals 21n involves one calculation, where you're multiplying the number of customers n by the cost per customer of $21. Many common equations involve one calculation, but sometimes they involve two. So today you're going to be making some expressions and equations to show what's going on. So the first one, I'll just get you started here. Theo wants to attract customers for the bike tour. He suggests a discount of $50 off the regular price. So for A1, what is the discounted regular price of the tour? If the regular tour price is $400, so for example, that would just be 400 minus the 50, which would be $350. Okay, I'll let you figure out what it would be for 500 and 650. Pretty straightforward. Now, we need to write an equation that represents the relationship of the discounted price D to the regular tour price of P. So what did we do here? We took the regular price minus 50, which was the discounted price. So essentially, we have the discount equals the regular price minus 50. So there's your equation. All right, that's what I want you to do going forward. This next one talks about sales tax, and if you were multiplying to get sales tax, you'd have to multiply by 6/100 times the amount. For example, this is B1. So for 400, it would be 400 times 0.06 would be the tax. And I don't know what that is. I don't have a calculator right here, but you can figure that out. All right. I would like you to do all the questions on this page, and I look forward to seeing your answers. Have a great day.